Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Mrs. Ray Food channel. Well, today's video is just a random video that I made today. I literally decided to make some lazy, sticky but tasty dry donuts, tobei. Okay, so they are here. It's a lazy one. Okay, I just got the idea today. Today's Sunday, yeah. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video as usual. Sorry for this impromptu video that just came out of nowhere, but I just wanted to, you know, to make this dry tobei, dry Boflot that I also called fried bread. So yeah, leave me comments, likes, share my videos, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye. Hello. So I just woke up. I don't. Bye. It's messy, it's sticky, it's not prepared. These are my fantastic tobei or dry Boflot or fried bread, however you want to call it. I just had the idea today. It just came into my mind and I was craving for it, and I said, why not make a video of it? And this time I used semi-skimmed milk for a change. So if you are interested, please keep on watching this amazing video. Let's get started. For this recipe, you need 400 grams all-purpose flour or plain flour. You need 115 grams of sugar. You need 80 grams of margarine or butter. You need 1 packet of active dried yeast, 1 egg, and 1 glass of semi-skimmed warm milk. A 1/4 teaspoon salt, half a tablespoon vanilla essence, and 1 teaspoon of nutmeg. It's very easy. So in your mixing bowl, add in the flour, then the dried yeast. Make sure it is alive. Check the date. The salt, the nutmeg. Next, add in the sugar, then the milk. So this is warm milk, not hot milk or warm milk. Then add the vanilla, the beaten egg, and mix it. So knead it for about 1 minute and then increase the speed and knead it for about an extra 2 minutes. Next, stop the mixer and add in the margarine or butter. So this is 80 grams of margarine. Next, mix it again for about 7 minutes, then stop the machine because it might get too hot and stop working, and then knead it for another 7 minutes, so 14 minutes in total. Next, sprinkle enough flour on your working table, spread it out, and place the tobei dough on it. Next, sprinkle a bit more flour on it and knead it for about, just few seconds. We're not really kneading it because the machine has done it for us already, but sprinkle a bit more flour on it and just shape it a little bit. Next, on a container, add a drop of oil. Make sure you spread it out and place the dough on it just like that. It's messy, it's sticky, we don't care about that. It's going to be fantastic. Next, cover it with some cling film and let it rise for about 1 hour to 1 hour 15 minutes. I did it outside because it was very warm. And this is my dough now. As you can see, it has doubled up in size. Next step, sprinkle some more flour on your working table and then place the dough on it. Don't worry, it will be fast. More flour on the top. Again, knead it few seconds. Okay, don't worry about the amount of flour we are adding. It's not a problem. Just sprinkle more flour on it. It will be fantastic, I'm promising you. Knead it for a few seconds and give it a nice shape this time. Okay, so make it look like a nice round ball. Alright, now guys, I'm making jumbo tobei, extra big tobei. So I just divided my dough into 4 pieces. Like I said, it just came up in my mind today, so just 4. That's it. Next, sprinkle some flour on each mini dough and now give it a nice round shape once again. Repeat it with the remaining tobei doughs. And then on a tray, a baking tray, sprinkle some flour on it and then place the tobei on the baking tray. Make sure you leave enough spaces in between the tobei or Boflot. Okay, don't worry if it's still sticky, don't worry. Sprinkle a bit more flour on each mini dough and once again cover it with cling film. Make sure there is no air out. Okay, it is very important. And then I'll leave it outside again for about 45 to 1 hour. This is it now, and you can see that it has doubled up in size one more time. Next, heat some vegetable or sunflower oil. Make sure it is not too hot. In the meantime, give a little shape to your tobei. Okay, just make it nicer, because the more you leave it, the more it rises. Okay, and deep fry it when the oil is hot enough. And as I said, make sure the oil is not too hot. Okay, now let it fry. Don't forget to turn it over. Make sure it doesn't burn, because I almost burned mine. Okay, and also be careful about the heat. If you need to lower it, just please do. And then the Boflot or tobei or dry crunchy Boflot is ready when it gets this golden color, golden to brown color. Okay, let it drain on kitchen paper, and this is it. I wanted to open the inside for you now, but it was burning my hands, so I waited a little. So this is it now. I'm just showing you the inside. It is perfect, soft and fluffy fried bread or dry tobei, however you call it. Right, dear friends, this is so good. Like I said, I just did it out of nowhere. It just came into my mind. Although I already have the recipe, the original recipe, and this one was made with milk. Why are you looking at me when I'm recording? Why? To make me feel. What's that? There. You don't even want to taste it until.
What? What's it?
Put them in the milk, man.
Okay.
No, I don't know what I said. Oh, say it's just I'm stopping up. If you have nothing to do this Sunday, just please try this out. It is very nice, and I made it with semi-skimmed milk. Okay, I also have another recipe, which is the original one made with water, but this time, like I said, I just wanted a change, and this is made with semi-skimmed milk. So just try it. It is awesome. Bye bye.
Bye bye.